purpose of this short video is to explain the features and benefits of our new sliding panels. As you can see, the panel is now available in white and also for the first time in black, and we have taken steps to harmonise the appearance of these panels with their fixed counterparts. Key harmonised features have been the rounding of the ends of the patch panels to prevent them digging into the verticals of the rack. We have standardised mounting features and now reversed out white on black or black on white numbering strips for port identification and to enable the location of stick-on strips. The new panels retain the established snap-in feature of the Evo connector and the clip-on spring for cable retention. One of the key features that's been retained in the new panels is the Auto Connect feature that allows the panel to be bonded to its rack simply by screwing it into position. You'll notice that here and here we have unpainted features which allow the sliding tray to maintain electrical continuity with the chassis. We've taken away the additional front panel and the quarter turn fasteners, and we've replaced the latching system with these two locking arms. Lift up the locking arms, slide the panel forward until it stops, allow it to fall into its terminating position. To close the panel, lift the sliding tray, push it back into the chassis, click down the retaining arms, and the tray is firmly retained in the chassis.